Hey everyone, this is EG. Short story The Wise Tree. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there was a big tree. It stood near a river and gave shade to everyone. Children played under it, and travelers sat to rest. One day, a young boy came and said, "Tree, I am tired. Can I sit under you?" The tree smiled and said, "Yes, my child." The boy came every day. He talked to the tree, played near it, and even hugged it. Years passed. The boy grew up. One day, the young man came and said, "Tree, I need money. Can you help me?" The tree said, "Take my apples and sell them." The man took the apples and left. He didn't come back for a long time. Many years later, the man returned. "Tree," he said, "I need a house." The tree said, "Cut my branches and build your house." The man cut branches and went away. After many years, the man came back, now old and tired. Tree said, "I am too old, just I need a place to rest." The tree said, "I have nothing left, but you can sit on my stump." The old man smiled and sat. The tree was happy again. Friends, moral: love never asks for anything, it only gives.